Hi, Francisco's Automotive. If you're watching this video, you have a need for electrical. My shop specializes in electrical and air conditioning. This is my landscape, and this is my shop. I realized how electrical important was when I started my career in the automotive industry. I started my career in the automotive industry working on German cars. The Volkswagen was way ahead of its time. They had fuel injection in the 60s, mass produced, so we had to learn how to fix fuel injection. Again, electronics came into the picture. So when I started my shop in 1985, I made it one very clear point that I had to do, and that's specialize in electrical. So all my guys are trained in electrical. I hire electrical automotive guys, and I train them. I send them to school at least 1 to 2 weeks a year, plus evening classes, plus online classes. So training is very important. And where that comes into effect is when you bring your car into me to have a problem fixed, we are not guessing. We know how to fix electrical. We know which way to go. A lot of poor shops, I don't know how do they do it. If they're never trained in electrical, they do not have the proper equipment. Now, the proper equipment is very important. If you have the proper equipment, which I got a little bit right here, not a lot of it. If you have the proper equipment, but you don't train the guy, then what is the use for it? So if you live in the city of Newport Beach and you are in need of electrical work, you came to the right guy. Now, you can have the trained people without the equipment, or you can have the equipment without the trained people. So I have both of them combined, and we here work as a team. You don't have one guy that knows electrical. You got 7, 8 guys that know electrical. So to get your job done quickly, it's no problem. Now, Newport Beach is our neighbor. So we pick you up, we drop you off, and I'm so confident that I can fix most problems in one day, that if I don't fix it in one day, I'll provide an overnight car for you at my expense. So you got any electrical questions, any questions whatsoever on the automotive industry, give me a call, 714-375-2661.